Hello everyone, in this video I would like to show you how you can embed an interactive 3D mind map into your website with the help of the InfoRapid Knowledge Base Builder. To do so, I first open the mind map in the InfoRapid Knowledge Base Builder. For this video I'm using the sample called Mind Map that comes together with the Knowledge Base Builder app. By switching to 3D mode, I can check how the mind map will be displayed in 3D on the website. You can edit the hyperlinks, which appear later on in your website, by selecting the Edit Item command from the context menu, switching to the Hyperlink tab and entering the URL in the Hyperlink field. In the next step I will export the 3D mind map with the command Export as 3D Model from the Knowledge Base menu. First I have to copy the HTML source code into Notepad, the Windows text editor, through the clipboard and save the file in a directory on my hard disk. I use mindmap.html as file name. Then I press the OK button in the export dialog and save the knowledgebase.glb file in the same directory. GLB files are used to store 3D models. The abbreviation stands for Graphics Language Transmission Format Binary. On Windows you can open those files with Paint 3D. The file name, knowledgebase.glb, must be specified in the HTML code inside the Model Viewer tag. The Model Viewer is an open-source JavaScript library developed by Google for displaying interactive 3D models in the World Wide Web. When you open the mindmap.html file in Chrome, the mind map is not displayed. That's because a CORS error occurs while loading the knowledgebase.glb file. CORS stands for Cross-Origin Resource Sharing. In our case, this means that a local file on the hard disk cannot be accessed from a website. This is blocked by the browser for security reasons. One way to work around this error is to upload both files to a web server and open the HTML page from there. For a local test, however, there will be an easier solution. Just start Chrome with the Allow File Access from Files flag. To do so, open the command line window, switch to the Chrome installation directory and start Chrome with the command Chrome Allow File Access from Files. Copy the URL into the Chrome address bar and press Enter to load the HTML file. Now the 3D mind map is displayed correctly even without a web server. You can rotate the 3D mind map by dragging it with the mouse and zoom in or out with the scroll wheel. You can also click on one of the hyperlinks to open the linked website. If you have any questions, feel free to post them in the comments. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like or subscribe my channel.